Need powerful accounting software that doesn't drain your budget? Let's see if Zoho Books is still the best pick for SMBs in 2025. Zoho Books is an online accounting platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses and accountants who want full-featured financial tools without the enterprise price tag. In 2025, it offers automated invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, inventory management, and client portals, all wrapped in a clean, easy to use interface. Integration is another strong point. It connects seamlessly with Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, payment gateways, and even tax compliance tools in multiple countries. A big win for accountants is the collaboration features. You can invite clients, set permissions, and manage multiple accounts under one login. The mobile app also makes it easy to send invoices or check reports on the go. The only drawback? Some advanced payroll and third-party integrations are limited compared to bigger players like QuickBooks. Overall, Zoho Books remains one of the best value for money accounting platforms for SMBs in 2025, especially if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem. Bottom line, if you want robust features without pay enterprise rates, Zoho Books still delivers.